So I'm sauteing some shrimp, right, to go with our salad. Um, if you like it, let me know, right? It's real simple, but I know there's going to be people that's going to ask me some questions about it, so I recorded it, okay? It's going to be good to go. Here it is, right? Sauteed shrimp for salad. Just let it cool down and then put it on your salad and you'll be good to go. Check it out. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. Okay, so for the shrimp, we have our shrimp here. We have parsley, lemon juice, and garlic. Okay, we're gonna put this on the shrimp. We're gonna let it marinate for about 15-20 minutes. Okay, let's add all this into our shrimp. All right, put everything in there. All the garlic. And you know what? Now that I think about it, I'm gonna add some olive oil too. Right? Maybe about a quarter of a cup. Now let's get this all mixed up. Here out. Get it mixed up. Now let's get this in the fridge for about 15-20 minutes. Alright, so this is going to be real quick. So we're going to go ahead and cook the shrimp up. So flame on, put it on medium. And we're going to put some olive oil in here. And now the shrimp is only going to cook for about 1.5 to maybe 2 minutes per side. That's all you need. Don't get crazy with it. Okay? That's all you need. Alright, let's put a little olive oil in here. I'm using non-stick, of course. You can use stainless steel if you want. You can use cast iron. It all works. But for me, I'm using non-stick for my shrimp right now. Okay, so let's do this. So we're going to add our shrimp here. It's been marinating. All right, we're going to give about 1.5 to 2 minutes per side. Yep. Alright, last one. There we go. Now we're going to give this about 1.5 minutes and then we're going to turn it over. Alright, going to give these about another 30 seconds. Right, and then we're going to turn them. Shrimp cooks really fast. Really fast. You don't want rubbery shrimp. And again, this is for our salad. Okay? You don't want rubbery shrimp in your salad. Alright, let's turn these guys over. Alright, 1.5 on this side. Actually, it's probably be like a minute, really. Maybe 1:15, but yeah, we'll see. See, there's not really much to it when you're cooking shrimp, right? If you have shrimp and you're sauteing it, if you go over the 4-minute mark, you're messing up, okay? Maximum, if you have to, stretch it. Maximum 2 minutes per side, max. I don't care if you're sauteing it. I don't care if you're grilling it. I don't care if you're broiling it. 2 minutes tops, and then flip it. All right, time's up. I'm gonna take these off now. Put them in the resting tray. All right, so they can cool down for the salad. Some of them don't want to leave the pan, but you're going to get up out of here. Because I don't want you to keep cooking. Yep, have that. Come on, get on up out of there. Last one. Alright, we are done. Look at that. That's what you get. Alright, so here are our salad shrimp. Okay, if you like the recipe for this, hey, definitely check it out. It's quick and easy. Right? Just pay attention, you know. Don't go over 4 minutes with the shrimp and you'll be good to go. If you go over 4 minutes, you're going to have a bad day. Remember that. This is Shrashira. I'm out.